Hey, Travis, the digital marketing nomad, and today we're going to be talking about YouTube tags. We're going to learn how to find them without tools, as well as 3 tools that will help differentiate you from your competition with your tags. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Now let's get into it. Okay, so we're in my computer here, and we're going to be talking about YouTube tags and the importance of them, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you at the end 3 tools that can help you find better tags for your YouTube videos. So stay tuned to the end and you'll be able to get those tips. So this is a video I shot yesterday, and if you scroll down, you're going to see an option that says tags. So here's a bunch of tags that I used for my video called What is Affiliate Marketing? And one of the tips I want to point out to you is use your title of your YouTube video as one of the tags. So if you can see, my title is What is Affiliate Marketing and How Does It Work? And you can see the tag is there as well. It just helps you rank and show up higher in YouTube for that view. The other importance about tags is it allows you to show up in suggested views. So those are when you're watching someone else's YouTube video and yours shows up on the side, your tags help with that. And if you look at your analytics over time, a lot of people will actually get most of their view from the suggested views and not the exact search into YouTube. So don't worry about that. It's just one thing to be aware of. So for creating YouTube views, how do you do it? How do you find them from other people? So I'm going to show you a technique on how to do it without the tools. But if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you the tools to make it a lot easier there for you as well. So let me just get out of here and just go to YouTube for a second. And in here we will just grab some random one. Let's do it on Make Money Online. And we're going to take the first video here. So I believe you have to have the ad out, but let's just see if I can do it without the ad. Let's just take a look here and see what happens. So what I did is if I just go to right click outside of the video on part of the white on YouTube, and you go to view page source, bring you to here. This looks very scary for a lot of people. Do not panic. We're going to use Control F or Command F if you're on a Mac, and we're going to just look for what we're looking for. So if you see it pops up, we're going to type in keyword, and look at that. Here's their tags that they have used, and you can see all of them here. To here, and you can just Control C or Command C, and if you put them in Notepad, there they are. You would just have to clean up the slashes, but let me just double check here. This actually makes it easier. Instead of that, sorry, we're gonna do, so you go Control F, type in keyword, and then you go to the second one. So there'll always be 2 in the video. You go to the second one, and it shows you the keywords in a nice, easy way that you can just copy and paste them into your notepad that way. So either one, it will show it to you. The second one is a little bit cleaner and easier to read. So that is how you can find other people's tags that they did without using any tools. This is useful if you're on like a public computer or something and you want to grab this information. You can grab it without having any tools. Another way to find views in tags to use is actually just going to Google. So let's do one for the video I'm shooting right now. It's going to be on YouTube tags. So type that into Google. And if we scroll to the bottom, here's some related related searches. So these are other things that people have that are searching. And so you can use these if they're relevant as tags. So maybe from this video, popular YouTube tags, how to see YouTube tags, since that's exactly what I just showed you, would be a good one. So then if you just keep clicking through, Command or Control on your computer, or if you right click, you can open these up in different tabs. So I'm just going to quickly check out a couple more here. How to see YouTube tags, scroll to the bottom. Okay, so maybe if I put one with 2019 on Mac, that's another one I could use. And so if we're just, this is just a way that you don't need any tools and you can find ideas to add to your tags this way. Now, when it comes to your tag limits, you can only have 500 characters in your tags. So a character is a letter and or a space, so, or punctuation. So that is something to be aware of. So if you can't save your YouTube video for whatever reason, it means you have too many characters, and remove some of the tags in your videos, and that should fix that issue there for you. So that's a free way on how to get more ideas on how to find tags. Another one obviously is just YouTube. So let's continue with the one I was looking at, make money online. And without pushing enter, you see all these other options. So these are other things that people are searching for your videos, and you can use these as well as your tags. Another little hack that you can do is putting an underscore, and it makes it more, it changes it a little bit as well. Or you can also do a star, and that changes it as well. So those are a couple ways to find different ones within the YouTube search itself. But there are tools that allow you to do this as well, which makes it a little easier. So I am going to turn those tools on. There's 3 tools that I use for finding tags, and the first one is TubeBuddy, then Vid Iq, and then Keywords Anywhere. So I just gotta reconnect them here, so just give me half a second here. Vid Iq, TubeBuddy, and Keywords. Now this is a cool plugin that allows me to turn on and off different plugins. So let's reload this page here. Let these plugins install. This page. So now you're just going to see some of the advantages of these tools once they load here. Pause this video. So now if you look at YouTube, there's a couple more options up here. You have this little red logo here. That's TubeBuddy. And then the analytics here, that is Vid Iq at the top. And then, so now if we look at this video, it shows me how many likes it's got on Facebook, any Reddit upvote, any mentions on Twitter, It also shows me how many total views the channel has had, how many subscribers, and how many videos this person has made. It gives you some best practices on things to do. But look at this. Here's those tags that we looked at through the source code are right here. And you can just copy them. Copy to clipboard. And then if we go back to my notepad here, there they are. The nice thing about this is they're all cleaned up and you can just copy and paste them directly into your YouTube video and you don't have to make any changes. Now the second one, if we scroll down a little bit, is Vid Iq. It shows very similar information, but the one thing I like about Vid Iq is it shows you how that video is actually ranking within the YouTube algorithm. So this video is ranking #1 for Make Money Online, how to make money online on the internet. And so you can see if the tags they're using are actually getting them results. So that is the one thing I like about Vid Iq over TubeBuddy. And the other cool thing is if you haven't done your channel tags yet, you can also check out other people's channel tags. I will make another video in the future on channel tags, how to add them, how to change them, some best practices and stuff like that. So those are the two tools. If you look in the video description below, you'll be able to see the links to both of those plugins there. They both have free options, but there are more benefits with the paid options, obviously. And then the secret tool that I want to show you is keywords everywhere. So now when I typed into Google YouTube tag, it shows me an estimated search volume of how many people are actually searching this a month. If I was to bid on this for Google Ads and the competition. But the cool thing is on the right-hand side here, it shows similar keywords. So instead of having to scroll all the way to the bottom, it's giving me other options and what other people are searching for. So this is a great way to grab other ideas on how to pull more views without extra work by just dialing in your YouTube tags. And the cool thing is with Keywords Anywhere, you can save them if you just click on the star. You can save them for later and look at them. So this gives you lots of different keywords to look at. The cool thing with Keywords Everywhere, if we refresh YouTube, so let's go YouTube tags on here. All right, let's do YouTube money. It's right here. It also shows you the estimated search volume on YouTube. So that is also very cool. So it can give you ideas of how things are. And with Vid Iq, it gives you an estimated how many searches and views and stuff like that. And so does TubeBuddy, gives you some information as well. So those are some quick tips I wanted to show you on how to take advantage of YouTube tags and the importance of them. And one thing that you should also do with your YouTube tags is, let's see if someone has done this here, is have more generic tags. So if we're looking at this one, it loads here. Sorry for the jumping here. As you can see, it says like bright side. So these more generic ones, this helps pull you into the related searches. So if you use more broad things about your videos, it will help you get pulled into a more broader audience, but make sure that it is relevant to what you're talking about. So if you're talking about make money online, Brightside might not be the best one to relate to. Maybe affiliate or SEO, for example, would be better option. So it's a more broader audience, but similar to what you're working on. So this video did take a little bit longer than I thought, but I hope you got some value out of this. And if you did, please subscribe to the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. It helps me continue to make more videos. And if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Thank you. This is Travis from Digital Marketing Nomad. Have a good one.